Welcome to day 17. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute ghost hair clip. I use purple, white, and orange polka dot ribbon, a pair of googly eyes, scissors, a hair clip, and my glue gun. Start by cutting out strips of white ribbon. Add a piece of ribbon to the hair clip, covering it completely. Cut points in the end of the ribbon with your scissors. Seal the ends with your cigarette lighter. Make a small bow from your purple ribbon. Add the white strips, bow, and googly eyes to your hair clip using hot glue. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.